Reporting live from England, Curls by Sharlene. Another big Temu haul has just landed in England. I've got 12 items I ordered in total. First things first, you want to look at my code now, okay? Because this is going to come in handy for you. You get mega discounts with my code, and if you use the link provided in my bio, Christmas is coming. Don't you want discounts? You want something that's perfect for you and your loved ones at a good price. If you're a first-time buyer, you can get £100 coupon off your first shop if you use my code and link. But don't be discouraged if you're already on Temu. My discount still works, okay? Not like £100 coupon, but there's other advantages for you, so have a look. I'm ready to save the planet, okay? If you're anything like me and you've got a phone stand or a camera stand and these things, the actual bit that holds your camera or your phone in place, mine always break. If you have a child, mine's fiddling. This is the one I had, and I was holding it together with some toilet paper because my phone kept slipping. And if you look these up anywhere, most places, you have to buy the whole stand again. Why? I don't know. I've been looking for just this little gadget, and Temu have them for this price, so I bought two. You can't go wrong. And it's got the holes that way and that way, so it is versatile and it's quite sturdy. Like it's hard to break this. I was struggling. And of course, while I was in the section of the phones, I saw phone cases. Isn't this stylish? Looks professional. Yeah, the whole stand thing is there. And it's got a flip for the camera. I'm struggling at the minute. If you have an iPhone, 12 onwards, like these big ones, that massive camera can be a problem, and then nothing protects the camera. So I'm always getting a cover that's got like a massive hole and then buying the glass to go over it. But now Temu have this sturdy case that protects the camera. Hello, for this price. I was like, yes, I'm gonna get myself one. I almost got another one, but I was like, let's just get one, see how it is. It's very strong, and if it's okay, I can buy another one, because you get skeptical. Things are so cheap. Are they actually good quality? Is it gonna last? All the questions we ask. And yes, it's good quality. So for this price, I should have bought two. They have a whole section for kids. And my son saw these amazing shoes. And I was like, okay, these are cute. They light up, but they're white. Oh, and I saw them, I was like, oh no. He loves them. I don't even have them on me now to show you because he was like, Mom, I'm wearing them today. I got the package yesterday. Today is like, I'm wearing them. They're the right size. It shows you, like, you can measure to see how wide the foot is, the length of the foot, and they're the perfect size. I measured and we're good to go. They're not plastic either. These plastic soles that we get sometimes. You think, okay, I'm buying a cheap shoe. Does it mean it's going to be plastic? I was a little worried about that. But obviously, it wasn't. It's rubber. It's good. He's not going to slip in these icy weathers. We're in winter now, pretty much. Like, the temperatures have dropped. I was worried, but they're good. For this price, they are lovely, and he adores them. I found this on Temu. Blessed by God, loved by Jesus, and led by the Spirit. How nice! And the quality is good. This top is also from Temu. I have washed this many times. It hasn't faded once. They have good quality. For this price, I was like, well, I need something new. I keep buying more and more tops. I don't know why. I like t-shirts with little sayings on them. And if you're Christian or, whatever religion you may be, Temu have stuff on ya. And for you guys that aren't religious, like, have a look. There's some good stuff on here. T-shirts are actually really good quality. I haven't had any problems with any of the t-shirts I've bought. And the sizing is perfect. The color, we're ready for Christmas. Fits really well. Oh, wow. The top is my size. There you go. No problem. I got a toothbrush holder case that you can clip onto the wall. It comes with a little gadget, and there it is. I'm just finding, like, you know, those poo particles you don't want to land on your teeth. If you don't have a cupboard, I don't have a cupboard in my bathroom for some reason, and so I got myself one of these. You just stick the toothbrush in and you seal it, and obviously there is a bit of leeway, but the water should drip down as well, so hopefully there'll be no mold. But it does just slide in like that, so you can slide it out to clean it. Yes, and it's plastic. Not expensive, but ideal. I'm just getting so worried because kids and worms, I'm thinking, are the poo particles getting on the toothbrush? That's why it keeps getting worms, but the worms have stopped. Too much TMI, but for this price, and it looks all right. You just stick it on the wall and no space really. And these peel off really well. I have other things that I've put on my walls from them, and so I would assume it's all the same. Do you have toddlers that are growing like crazy and you need new clothes, or they're just wearing them out? Look, oh, Spidey. You know, oh, my kid loves this. They have the heroes. A pack of 3 for this price. Yes, the Avengers, right? Marvel. So happy. And they're not like proper winter, but they have some coverage. So if you have a kid that's running around all the time and just wants a light jumper to go on and loves these, there we go. It looks big, right? But I'm sure it will fit him. He's growing. And the white, I'm brave. If you have kids, do you have white clothes? I'm wearing this now, but yeah, this is special occasions for the video. If you have kids, white clothes, how do you keep them white? Okay, wash the whites together. I don't have time for that. I know it's a thing, and I know I should do it, but I don't even wash this with whites, and it's still alright. I really shouldn't be doing that, but I'm just letting you know that the colors don't seem to run as much. Obviously, you know you're washing. Please do not quote me on this, that your colors will run into this. Obviously, do the right thing. But I just put everything together and we're good at the moment. Spider-Man again. Nice, right? Christmas jumpers, Christmas pajamas, matching ones. You know, your kid's gonna love this. Yeah. And they have girl stuff. I know this is all boy stuff, but they have nice girl stuff too. And for the price, a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Some underpants as well. Yeah, McQueen. Boy crazy. We got red. We got it in yellow. That's nice, eh? Bright. Green. Wow, Lightning McQueen. And a light blue. Oh, they're so cute. My son has loved them already. I said I gotta wash them first, but he was very happy when he saw this. Oh, is it for me? Yes, your mother loves you, obviously. But yeah, underpants. I got the bigger size up just because I thought he's getting a bit bigger, and so this probably is the right size. But for this price, 4-pack, yeah, 3-pack. Sorry, oh no, 4-pack. Got some cargo pants. Oh yes, cargo trousers, cargo pants. I've been looking at these for a long time. They've been in my basket for ages. And I was like, oh, should I, shouldn't I? And yeah, I did. I got a large, so like 12 to 14. And I'm going to try them on and tell you if they fit. They are not jeans, cargo pants. They only cost this amount as well. Temu have unbelievable prices. Like, if anyone can beat them, please leave it in the comments. I want to know. The trousers. Oh, they are nice. And obviously they have the pockets down there. They don't have any pockets here, but they are for show. There's a little pocket there. But they are comfortable. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got a leather jacket. Oh, yes. Yes, man. Okay, because mine, obviously this isn't real leather. It's pleather. So this is the price. I don't want to be advertising that this is real leather. It's not. But look at the quality. Like, really good. Really, really good. Yeah, that looks so good, actually. And the inside seems all right. Good quality. Doesn't have a bad smell at all. Yeah, it just smells like new boots. You know when you go and buy new leather boots, but not the real leather, the pleather. Yeah, and it cost me this amount. Trousers are my size as well. Not too tight, there's still a bit of leeway. So you can wear them for Christmas, you know, when you want to eat a bit more than you usually do. Yes. Okay. Hold up right here. Just hold up. Let's just get that clear. You know that song. If you know it, put it in the comments. I want to know. A whole outfit. I mean, even the sandals I got from Temu. But I know they don't really go with the outfit, but I was looking for something to just put on instead of having no shoes. The leather jacket on and see if it fits. Perfect. Okay. Yes, yes. Good zip as well. The zips there too. Oh yeah. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. Goes up a bit, but the sleeves are long enough. There's a zip down there. The zips are very good. Yeah, it just opens it out a bit. Doesn't open it completely, but that's it. Hey! I know I'm wearing a red top under. It doesn't really go, but that was to show you what it looked like. Now, if this hasn't convinced you to get some stuff from Temu, what will? What are you looking for exactly? Packaging was good. Everything was covered, even the pillows. Like I got these amazing pillows, okay? And they were covered. Sometimes you're like, do I need to wash the pillow? Because you don't really want to wash pillows. For this price, I've ordered these before, but I think I got a smaller size and wow, they are comfortable, smooth, no problem. Everything's packaged really well and delivery was on time. Today's Thursday. Actually, they came yesterday, Wednesday, and I ordered them last week. If the delivery is late, you will get a £4 credit. Imagine, if they tell you it's coming between this date and this date and it doesn't arrive, they will credit you £4. I've had it happen, actually. If they say delivery's this time and it doesn't come, you're getting a bit more money back. A waterproof sheet. You know the sheet that goes under the sheet? The waterproof sheet? Yeah, I've ordered a few from them already. And one was particularly good. So I thought, let me try and order it again. I ordered it for this price. Woohoo! If you have kids and you need to keep the bed all right, like, it's perfect. If you've ordered something and it's damaged or something's missing or it doesn't fit you and you need to return it, they are good. They make sure they give you a refund or whatever they decide for you to return it, that's up to them. But for me, they've refunded me quite a few times when I had something missing. They are so good. I was like, wow, okay. I know it's a mass scale and it's all the way from China. So do you really want to return something back to China? I haven't actually had to return anything. but I've had refunds because of X, Y, and Z. It's time for you to try out Temu yourself and see how good they are. Using my link in my bio now and using my code to get a discount for new time buyers. Can't fault them. I really can't. Obviously, you gotta look for good stuff. If you're buying stuff that isn't good and you're like, oh, it's really rubbish, you've picked it. I've chosen what I wanted. They never forced me to buy these things. I was like, okay, I'm having A, B, C, D, the sizes, how many, and they were delivered. They never forced me to buy this stuff, okay? Yes, I have a discount code and I get paid a certain amount for doing videos, but this is actually an honest review. I promise I wouldn't be showing you like stuff that's not good quality. This is good. It's trousers, it's not jeans, okay? I am wearing the stuff I literally bought. I also got these earrings from them a while ago. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.